This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Riegel. A majestic Madison home with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. The main living area offers a study, 2 bedrooms, large living room west/fireplace, open kitchen dining room and laundry. The second level has a huge living space, 2 oversized bedrooms and a shared bathroom. Once you enter the lower level you will be in love. It has a rec room, wet bar, separate living space, a large bedroom and 2 full baths. Built for the family enjoyment and located in Madison Lakes, a gated community with amenities that include a pool, clubhouse, tennis courts, and a physical fitness facility. For more information, review the details below.